After retiring from motorcycle racing, former Moto2 rider Axelpons has changed his life after walking barefoot from Spain to Pakistan. I am your friend Mohammed Rafiq, former motorcycle racing star Axelpons on a journey of the world barefoot. We Pakistanis thought it was Malang. Former Moto2 World Championship star Axelpons, who is the son of two-time MotoGP winner and legendary racing star axelpons, has taken a unique turn in his life. There was a time when he was at the center of speed and fame, but today he has become an example of simplicity and self-knowledge. Despite successes in his racing career, it was disappointing for him to finish 16th in the 2016 season. After this, he left motorcycle racing and entered the world of fashion modeling, but even this path could not give him lasting peace. In 2019, in an interview with Spanish media, he vowed to free his life from the memories of the past. It was this determination that put him on an unconventional and surprising path. They made the world barefoot.